January, February, and March are gone. You are left with April now. And this is the time you have to decide that you need to change your life for the good. And in this video, I'm going to show you how in the next few months you can be able to achieve all your New Year goals and set a different life what you wanted. Hi, my name is Dina and I'm studying MBA. And this year, I have planned so many things for my life to change. To achieve more things, I believe these five things, if you follow currently, your life will become completely changed and you will get your goals on the right plane. So let's start with the video. First thing you have to remember that you need to see yourself from the past. You have to compare your past version to today's version. Go to your Google Photos and check all your photos what you have clicked from the past 5 years. You would realize what growth you have achieved or what failure you did in the past 5 years. That will make you realize what next year should look like. So, your current planning for the year starts by following what you have not done for the past 5 years and now what you have to do right now so that the next year would look completely changed and according to you. So let's go to the next point of the list, which is to have list down what you do and what you want to achieve. What are your current habits look like? What is your current screen time of the phone? What are all the habits you are doing currently? Write down just all of these things. Not what you want to do, but what you are doing right now. That will make the difference so that you will understand how is your life moving and how you could change. 20% of the work gives 80% of the results. So you have to identify what 20% of the work in your life matters more and will weigh more to move your life for the good. So identify the 20%. For me, only five things matter. That is creating this YouTube channel and studying for my MBA, and three more are very personal, like doing exercise, eating good food, and also to find an internship. So these are the five things which move my life if I do it correctly. So my entire day would focus on these five things rather than dwelling on unnecessary things which doesn't move my life for the way I want it. Number fourth thing is to continue doing exercise even if you feel that there is lot of pain. You should realize that it's high time and exercising not now will lead to never. So just start doing it even if you're doing it for a 10-minute walk, just do it because this is the right time to do exercise for your body. Last but not the least is a point for all the creators. So, if you have been creating and just struggling with doom scrolling as well, then this video will help you in that way also. Because listen to it. If you're a creator and also you're struggling with doom scrolling and you're naming it as creator thing, no. Creators don't consume a lot of reels. They are focused on what they want to create and showcase to the world. They sometimes take inspiration from the reels, but they don't overconsume like other audiences. So here's the thing, understand that you are no longer a consumer and make yourself a list. Sign in, sign out list. If you're a creator, that make sure that you are signing in on a piece of paper that you have been logged in as creator, and then don't do the consumer over scrolling doom scrolling. You just follow your creative mindset to showcasing and experimenting and creating content and not consuming it. So these five things would help you change your entire day and will help you focus on the right things. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment down your thoughts. What should I make the video about next? And also subscribe to my channel and just follow these five things.